In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how I was able to turn $11 into $1,100 in just simply 12 hours. I'm going to be breaking down how I did it, the strategy that I used, and you're also going to see the pairs that I did this on all in one day. It's going to be insane. So buckle up, sit back, relax, get a drink, get some popcorn. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the video. Here we go. What's good, everybody, man? Welcome back to another video on the channel. If you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button. I swear to God, bro, if you watch this video all the way through and don't hit the subscribe button, God help me, please. Shit. You want good luck this week, man? You want good luck trading in general? Hit that like button. It's gonna bring you good luck. It's gonna help me out. It's gonna be a positive for everybody. So hit that like button and let's just get into it, because so much shit's falling out of my pockets. We're going through it. A lot of shit's going on. It's gonna be an insane video. I'm gonna be breaking down just insane trading yesterday, all that good stuff, man. So let's hop into it. So over the weekend, I thought to myself, you know, what's a video that can help people out, right? What's a video that can not only help people out, but people can relate to? And it hit me like, okay, a lot of people don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars to trade with. And I love showing you guys me making 30K, 40K, 50K in a trade, whatever the case may be. But of course, that took a long time to get here. So what I want to do in this video, or what I decided over the weekend that I was going to do, is trade a small sized account like 90% of you guys probably have, and show you that it is possible to flip a smaller account into a medium-sized account, and you can actually do it fairly fast. Now, the way that I do this, man, is I'm taking breakout trades, okay, 5-minute time frame only, and I'm having very tight stop losses. I actually don't use a stop loss. I just watch it, and if it actually comes to a point where it's okay, it's reversing on me, I'll just get out of the trade. So yeah, guys, we deposited $11, and here's where the journey went. So we started the account at $11.25, and we ended up taking 2 GBP JPY trades. Just a pretty simple breakout strategy that we used here. As you guys can see, little breakout, trend line break, and boom. We took 2 trades on here, 2 entries, because I wasn't sure how much I was going to be able to use. Could I do a 0.05? Could I do a 0.10? What is the broker going to allow me to do? And by the way, for you guys who want a just unbelievable broker, like an unbelievable broker, raw spreads, no commission costs account, right? You can get an account with no commissions, free commissions. For those of you who want to grow a small account, this is big for you because you're not going to pay no commissions, right? Or you pay a little bit of commissions, the tightest spreads you will ever see. God, I literally I love this broker. The amount of money that I've made on this broker has been ridiculous, man. Click the link down below in the description box if you want to get started trading on this broker right here. And yeah, just trust me, it's going to be the best decision that you ever fucking make. Anyways, so we ended up catching the first GJ trade, and we moved on. Okay, later on that day, another GJ sell. Beautiful, just beautiful breakout pattern. It's the same thing over and over and over again. The same way I trade, the same things that I do. It's just all the same shit. Again, man, we went throughout the day. GBP NZD closed, GBP JPY closed. GBP CAD was our big winner here. We made $343 on this trade alone. As time went on, I ended up upping the lot sizes. Okay, I started using 1 standard, and even towards the end, you're gonna see I started going up to 2 standards, just because I needed to make more money here. I wanted to flip this thing into the thousands. It wasn't gonna happen if I used smaller lot sizes. So yes, I may not have used, you know, the most smart lot sizes or traded the smartest way, but I'm trading with the house's money at this point. I got $11 to my name on this account, and I'm already up to like 500 bucks. So why not use higher lot sizes and mess around trying to flip this thing even bigger? If all I can lose at the end of the day is $11, it doesn't bother me, okay? So it's a lot of mental stuff here, but you got to be able to handle that if you're going to be flipping small accounts. Again, then we got into this GBP NZD trade, okay? For this trade, it looked like a beautiful buy breakout, little pre-breakout setup, as you guys can see. We ended up taking our buy position, and it reversed on us. Okay, we were up, I think, 90 bucks on this trade. Looked pretty good, and then I kind of just got greedy, wanted to hold it out to like $200-300 bucks. Ended up reversing on us, and I closed for a $60 loss. Now, this is the big boy trade right here, okay? This is the trade that really put us to that $1,000 mark. I decided, okay, I really like this setup, okay? Mind you, my stop losses, or my mental stop losses, are very tight. I'm gonna do 2 standards here. This is probably gonna be like a 1-to-10 ratio trade. I know that if this hits a loss, I'll probably lose 50 bucks. If this hits a win, I'm gonna make $500, okay? That's my goal. That's how I went into this trade mentally. As you guys can see, it played out perfectly. Closed the trade at $568. $1,000. Just a beautiful, insane trade. And then at the end of the day, after all was said and done, we ended up withdrawing $149 with 62 cents, which left our total balance at $1,000. Okay, now my question to you guys is, before I get into the strategy, you know, how it works and all that good stuff, what should I do with the $1,000? A, give it away to you guys. B, do another video flipping 1,000 into potentially $10,000. Or C, see you later. Video ends right here, right now. You guys choose, and your voting begins now. I'm gonna just assume you guys probably guessed or chose 1,000 to 10,000, but I could be wrong. We'll see in the comment section. So what I would like to do now is kind of show you guys a little bit of a gist of this strategy, how I use it, and kind of like a bigger picture on what I'm doing here, just so you guys aren't totally confused and just think I'm looking at breakout, whatever the case may be. There's a little bit more to it, so I'm gonna show you guys on a computer right now, and let's get into the breakdown. All right, so I wanna go over this trade, man, and kind of just teach you guys the strategy and how I was able to turn $11 into $1,100 in just 12 hours, okay? So realistically, there's a couple things that have to go into play first before we can take a sell or a buy, okay? First things first, we're on a 5-minute chart. Okay, looking at the 5-minute chart, we're gonna either take a buy or take a sell, depending on, you know, what the market structure is giving us. What I mean by that is if we are in a bearish market structure, which would look like this, right? Because we have what? We have what? Lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, low. I have no idea why I'm using this tool. Let's use this tool here. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, okay? That's what makes a bearish market structure. We do not want to take a buy or a sell position unless market structure is bullish or bearish, depending on what we're looking at. Again, in this case, what are we looking at? It's a bearish market structure. We have lower lows and lower highs being created frequently while trending to the downside. With that being said, all we need to see now is a break of a trend line or a support / resistance. I talk about this all the time, guys. I have a free app. It's called Clarity Forex. You guys can download it on the App Store. On this app, I talk about this all the time. I break down all my trades all the time. It's all free and it's all on there. Should definitely be on there, man, because like I said, I am always giving free content like this. Anyways, market structure is bearish, and now we have a trend line. Now, what I mean by this is, as market structure is bearish, we have a pause or a relapse in the markets to where now we're switching to the upside just momentarily, okay? As long as this does not break above these previous highs, which it did not, it created what we would call resistance here, we're good. Now, if these candles would have broken, and when I say broken, I mean such as this, right? If that would have happened, and I'll put this in replay mode to show you guys better. If that would have happened right there, then boom, now we're in bullish market structure. But because it did not break those previous highs, we are still in bearish market structure, meaning we do have that trend line that was created while still going to the downside. If that trend line breaks, we're gonna take our sell, and that's exactly what I did in the first trade. And boom, it broke. Take our sell position. The rest is history. Super tight stop loss, a decent take profit. This is a 1-to-4 ratio. I love 1-to-4, 1-to-5s mostly. This is it. This is a beautiful trade. Hold that position tight. If this starts to reverse and go up in this area, well, then we close that trade. Literally, guys, it's that simple. We're mixing market structure. I'll find another example for you guys real quick. Market structure is the key. Now, here's a NASDAQ example with a buy, okay? As you guys can see, market structure overall is what? Bullish. We have a bullish market structure. Prices breaking to the upside repeatedly. We have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, and now a higher high at that resistance zone. So we know market structure is already telling us it's a buy, right? It's a bullish position. And again, we're only on the 5-minute chart. We don't even have to leave the 5-minute chart, okay? 5-minute chart, we're looking at it. It's a bullish market structure. What do we need to see? Well, instead of a trend line break, now we can look for support or resistance breaks too. As you guys can see, man, we got that resistance right here. If price starts to break out of this resistance, well, I'm going to take my buy position and I'm going to hold for at least 1,000 pips. This is NASDAQ, so this is basically 100 points / 1,000 pips, okay? I'm going to hold that out for 1,000 pips, and I'm only going to have a 25 point / 250 pip stop loss, okay? As price starts to break out, I'm taking my buy position. Price came down, did not hit stop loss. It held that position. Price is already up 500 pips. Put your stops to break even. and the rest is going to always be history. Okay? Very simple. Market structure, breakout pattern, take your buy, take your sell. Stop loss just a little bit below that resistance or support you're breaking out of. Guys, it's that easy. That's how easy it is to trade. Okay, you don't need higher time frames. You don't need all this crazy stuff, moving averages, all this stuff. And I know I've talked about moving averages before, and yes, these type of things do work. But why overcomplicate things when you can do something this simple and still be profitable and be successful when it's that easy? That's what I'm doing, man. It's just market structure, support and resistance breaks, trend line breaks. That's it. That's all you're gonna find me doing. That's all I do. That's why I'm so successful. That's how I make all of my money. You guys see the examples in the video. I'm making money off of simple breakouts. It's that easy. It's literally that easy. There's nothing else for me to say other than it's that easy. I appreciate you guys coming back for another video, man. If you guys want any more videos like this in the future, go down below. Let me know in the comment section. I got you guys. Follow me on Instagram at MambaFX Trading. It's my only Instagram. I might be changing it to MambaFX, but we'll see what happens. Other than that, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!